Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pork adobo my way. I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's get to it. So this is my version of pork adobo. It's sticky, it's like a barbecue pork. It was delicious and tender, and it only required very little ingredients that you probably have in your pantry. And let's get right to it. So today for this dish, I'm going to use some pork belly that I have removed the skin and chopped them up to smaller pieces. You can use pork shoulder if that's what you prefer. Now it's time to marinate. This dish typically uses regular soy sauce, but I like using the dark soy sauce because I like the dark rich color. I'm going to add some vinegar, as well as some chopped garlic. Now I'll add some brown sugar, some chopped onions, and my peppercorn and my bay leaves. And I'm going to give all of this a good mix. Once my meat is marinated, I'm going to cover it and add it to the fridge for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. To start cooking the meat, I have a hot pan. I'm going to add some oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add in my meat. And don't forget guys, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. After about 3 to 5 minutes, when the meat starts searing, I'm going to flip them sides. Once my meat has a little color on both sides, I'm going to add the other ingredients that was in the marinade, which is the onion, the garlic, the bay leaves, the peppercorn. And I'm going to add a bit of water, and I'm going to let this come to a boil, and I'm going to cover it and cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour. And this is going to cook on a low heat. This is my pork that's been cooking after a while. The pork is pretty much cooked. You can have it this way, but I like it when it's thicker and darker. So I'm going to let this dry off a little bit more. This is pretty much the consistency that I like. It's sticky, it's thick, and I enjoy it better this way. So this is it. This is what it looked like, and you can enjoy this with a little bit of white rice, whether you like this as sticky as I do or a little bit watery. This is it. It was delicious, it was tender, and it was quick. Stick around for the list of ingredients and enjoy the rest of the video. To start off our ingredient list, we need some brown sugar, some chopped garlic. Here I have some peppercorn, some bay leaves, and some chopped onions. Here we need some water and some dark soy sauce that I will use. Like I explained in the video, I like the richness of the dark soy sauce, but use regular soy sauce if you want. And lastly, we need a little bit of vinegar. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check the rest of the videos on my channel.